Hey, what's up guys? Just a quick heads up if you've been having issues with your WhatsApp account. I ran into the same problem a couple of months ago. I couldn't keep using my modified WhatsApp app, it just stopped working. I know it's frustrating, right? But after digging around a bit, I realized something. Developers are always on it, trying to find a way to bypass these blocks. So after waiting for about 2 months, I decided to give it another shot. I updated my old modified WhatsApp, crossed my fingers and boom, back in with zero problems. The best part? The modified app I'm using is working perfectly, and I'm pretty sure it'll work for you guys too. So if you're interested, check out the link in the description, download it, and enjoy your modified WhatsApp with no worries. Alright, that's it from me. If this helped, don't forget to hit that like button, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace!